Meet the Pro-40AD, a low-profile, compact, and lightweight magnetic drill designed for working in the tightest spaces. Despite its small size and weighing just 10 kilograms, the Pro-40AD is packed with power. Drills up to 40 millimeters in diameter and in depth, accepting TCT and HSS annular cutters, as well as twist drills with a Weldon shank. Its 45 millimeter stroke provides versatility for various drilling applications. With a height of 185 millimeters, it fits where larger mag drills cannot be used. Ideal for confined spaces, such as inside I-beams and other low clearance areas. Additional features include a detachable feed lever with a ratchet mechanism, which can be mounted on either side for convenient operation, and a lifting handle for easy transport. Powerful magnet allows working on difficult surfaces. If you need a reliable, low-profile magnetic drill for tight spaces and challenging surfaces, the Pro-40AD is the perfect solution for balance of power and portability.